Hello everyone, I am Harshita Jain and this is my 11th video of the series Data Science. Today in this video we will talk about logistic regression in Python. So the logistic regression is a statistical method used to model the probability of binary outcomes. In machine learning, it's widely used for classification tasks. Here's a Python implementation. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to implement logistic regression in Python using the popular scikit-learn library. Import necessary libraries. So we import the pandas as PD, numpy is np, sklearn train test split, logistic regression and accuracy scores, confusion metrics and classification reports. Then we load the dataset. Assuming you have a CSV file named data.csv, um, then we prepare our data. So feature selection in this feature selection and like identify the relevant features that will be used as predicators. Then data cleaning, handle missing values, outliers and inconsistencies. Then data preprocessing. Then Python this is a Python implementation. Like we assume the X is the feature matrix and Y is the target matrix. Then we split the data, divide the data into training and testing sets. Then this is a Python implementation. Then create and train the model. Then in this we create and train the in this implementation we create and train the model. Then make prediction. We predict by this code we predict. Then evaluate the model. In this evaluate the model and accuracy. In this this is the code. Then the confusion matrix. We implement the confusion matrix by this code snippet. Then classification report. This is a classification report. This is the code for classification report. Then interpreting results. So the accuracy, overall correctness of the model. Confusion matrix, detailed breakdown of correct and incorrect predictions. Then classification report provides more detailed matrices like precision, recall and F1 scores for each class. So the next topic is performing Poisson regression in Python. So the Poisson regression is a type of generalized linear model used to model the count data. It's particularly useful when the dependencies variable is a count of events that occurs over a fixed interval of time or space. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to perform a Poisson regression in Python using the stats model library. So import the necessary libraries like pandas, stats model and statsmodel.formula.api. Then we load the data set, assuming your data is in the CSV file. Then we specify the model. Here we specify the model. Then we fit the model to your data like this. Then summarize the results. So print the summary of the model to get the information about the coefficients, standard errors, p-values and other relevant statistics like this. And then example. Then example like this. This is the example. Like we import the necessary packages, then sample data, then first Poisson regression model. This is our first Poisson regression model, and then at last we print the summary. Then this is our interpreting the results. So the coefficients. The coefficient represent a change in the log of the expecting count for 1 unit increase in the corresponding independent variables. Then p values. So the p-values indicate the significance of each coefficient, and deviance, a measure of model fate. Lower deviance indicates a bad fit. That's all for the today's video. Thank you.